Welcome. In this video I will show you how to put your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7 on a lock screen. So the regular way to do this is opening the start menu, going to power options and selecting lock. The other way is using the shortcut of Windows and L buttons. And there is one additional way to do this, which is using the dedicated lock key, which is F10, and you either have to press it alone or press it with the Fn button. And this will also put your device on a lock screen. And that's all the ways to do that. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.